In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert watermark in Word. With watermark, you can improve upon the branding of your business. You can also use watermark to indicate if a document is confidential, urgent, or a draft. By the end of this tutorial, I'll show you how to use text as your watermark like this one. I'll even show you how to use pictures as your watermark like this one, where you can use your company logo or any image of your choice as your watermark. So, if you want to learn how to insert watermark in Word, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. This is the document I want to apply watermark to. Now if you want to create this beautiful form, I'll leave a video link in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out. So to insert watermark on this document, I go over to the Design tab. Under the Page Background group, I click on Watermark. In here, there are pre-made watermarks we can use, and they are being categorized into confidential, and these are confidential watermarks. We also have disclaimers, and finally, urgent. So you can go ahead and use any of these pre-made templates, and you have the opportunity to choose a diagonal watermark or a horizontal watermark. First of all, let's go ahead and choose any of the pre-made templates, and I'm going to go ahead and use the confidential as well as diagonal. I click on it to insert my watermark. You see that. Going back to watermark, going down, you have the opportunity to choose watermarks from office.com, that is if you are connected to internet, but we are not going to cover that in this tutorial. Next, I go over to custom watermark, click on it. From here, under text watermark, you can change the language. You can also change the text from confidential to whatever text you want. You can change the font. At the moment, it is set to Calibri. You can change the font size, which is currently set to auto. You can also change the color and decide to make it semi-transparent. And the layout, you can choose diagonal or horizontal. So let's go ahead and see how they all work one after the other. For language, I leave it as it is. The text, I want to change it from confidential to Online Office Teacher. Before I go into the rest of them, I want to click on OK to see how it will come up. You see that, Online Office Teacher. Let's go back to watermark again, custom watermark. Next, let's see how we can change the font. So I go ahead and drop down the arrow right here, and I can choose from any of these font styles. Let's see if it's possible to search for a particular font. Maybe I want to use Georgia. I have Georgia right here. I just click on it, and the size, maybe I want to change it to 40, and also change the color to red, and I will leave it as semi-transparent as well as diagonal. Then I click on OK to apply. Perfect. You see that. Let's go to watermark again, custom watermark. Let's see how our watermark will come up when we uncheck the semi-transparent checkbox. So I uncheck this and I click on OK, and our watermark will become deeper than before. Awesome. But I think making it semi-transparent is cool, so I take it back to semi-transparent. Then I go ahead and click on OK. Awesome. Now we've seen how to use text as watermark. Let's see how we can use images as watermark. To do that, I go back to watermark, then I choose custom watermark. This around, instead of text watermark, I choose picture watermark. Then in here, I'll be given the opportunity to select a picture. So I click on select picture. In here, you see that I need an internet connection to insert online pictures. I'm not going to insert images from online. So what I do is I click on work offline, and it will take me to a folder where I can get my pictures. In here, I have my images and their logos. I would strongly advise that you use logos as your watermark, even though inserting watermarks would depend upon what you want to achieve. But in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and use a logo as my watermark. So I choose this, then I click on insert. And you see that the image is inserted right here. The scale is set to auto. You can choose whatever percentage you want. Let's see how auto will come up. And it is also set to washout so that it won't obstruct our text. I click on OK to apply it. And you see my watermark behind. Perfect. And this looked too big, so I go back to watermark again. Then I choose custom watermark, and the scale, I drop down the arrow. Let's see how 150% will come up. Okay, you see that. So as and when the percentage is decreasing, the shape too is decreasing, or the image is decreasing. And I think this is cool. So that's it on inserting watermark in Word. So how do you take off watermark if we don't need it anymore? All what you need to do is go over to watermark, then you click on remove watermark. Perfect. But I need it, so I just go ahead and reverse it. Awesome. So we've seen how to use text as watermark, and also seen how to use picture as watermark. Using any of these will depend upon your business branding. So that's it on how to insert watermark in Word. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you will be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.